part, and further parts will be uploaded. So let's start with that. So suppose I wanted to format the go to the home page, insert, format the shape first. So let's use the rectangle. So I'm here. Suppose I wanted to give the background. So let me explain a little bit to show you. Click on background. After that, click on format option here. Page information. You can give in if you wanted to give the page name. So you can bring the dashboard name. Full tip, yes you can. You want Q&A, yes you can. Page size, you can change by default size it is, but you can also change it if you need. Later customize this also. I wanted to give the background. So here I wanted to use the red color and transparency to be going to change little bit. So let's 93% or 95%, 90% transparency keep it. Also, if you have any kind of image, so you can image let add the image here. So I wanted to add the image, yes you can. You can add the image as well. Let after that page alignment also you can page align it. Give the wallpaper if you wanted to. And similar we can do the change the transparency, add image, filter panels, background colors we can do that, and transparency everything you can capture from here. And suppose you can custom suppose if you have any color related to this, you can pick the color code, hexa code, copy it, and give it to them. Here, like suppose I'm to give the color this, and input box is there, so you can change the color. Also, you can revert by default. So to revert it by default, cards. If you're adding any cards, you can give the criteria, background, everything will sit here. So I'm not going to do anything. I can show you in directly one by one thing. So let here I've given everything, and now let filter it. So top alignment and given that, and suppose if you wanted to align this. So since I'm talking about the shape, so shape wanted to give the position 0 in the left side, y position and to control the weight. Also can change the size like suppose I'm to give it 200, then you will change the 200. And 720 height is good because I require it. So let's 725. So I'm given the maximum size. It's not allowed. 720. So I maintain that line, and you want that this line to control transparency. You want it to be 18%, weight height to be 1% or 2%, and also you can do darker. So you can do this way if you want. But I want only one. So let's give it one because it will display but not all. After that, fill. If you wanted to fill it, give the color. But you don't want to fill it, then close it. And I don't want to give any fill colors. Let's talk about title. Rotation, you can rotate it, but I here not required to rotate it. I want to display same like title. If you want to give them title, yes you can. Like test. So you can use the title here and adjust it, but titles is not required. I'm using to as a background. So if you want to give any background, yes you can, but here for my prospect is not required, but else I can give it to them. Copy paste bit and add the it will automatically display and change the transparency level as well. So if you give in but doesn't show. If you want to show it, yes you can. Sorry, excuse me. Then lock speed wanted to lock it, that don't move anywhere, so you can do that also. Then talk about the border. If you wanted to give border color also, you can do that. I wanted to give red color border, so you can do that. If you control the radius, I want to give the radius thing. So see this radius to be changed. So shape it will be rounds. Round will be copy radius. Don't want to change radius. Shadow, if you want to give any shadows, yes, you can want to give the shadow red color, dark reds. You can do that outside, inside. Here also it is best option, but I'm going to show action. If you wanted to give any action here, so yes, you can. Like I wanted to add a bookmark, so if someone can click here and go to that page, also page deviation option. You also can do that. waterproof, so you can do that. And if you need bookmarks, you can do that bookmark as well. For that video, you can see that how to use the bookmarks. So for this, these are options: visual headers. If you do it in visual headers, you can do this one. So this is called formatting. Let's talk about the I did the formatting. Then I wanted to add the button here. So how do the button? Here it is left arrow, right arrow, rest, back, information, help, QA, bookmark, and blank button. These are the button available in Power BI. You can use it. Which one is required for you? Right now, I'm using the blank. So blank button. So click here, and why I'm going to add this button? Because I wanted to says add the clear the filter. So for this, just click this button and start formatting it. You can adjust the position since I adjusted already, so you can adjust the position here. Then go to button tags. I want to give the clear all. Clear all. Then if you wanted to give any color, so yes you can increase gradients. So I wanted to be dark. So for to be dark red, dark black, and then come to the icon outline. If you wanted to give an outline, yes you can. I wanted to give the blue outline with three heights, you can do that. If you wanted to shave it, yes you can. So this way you can change it. Looks let's enhance the if you want to fill anything, yes you can. Here I don't want to fill it. And outline to keep as it is. Background not background you need to close it. Yes, if you want to display this line, but I don't want to display this. I want to be displayed separately so that I can understand. Yeah, this is the filter option here. Now uh, now then add it to the slicer so I can show you that why I'm saying this. Click here, click the slicer here, and give the slicer category and say this. So slicer is also good that if you have a slicer you can control your filter. So for this, now let's explain a little bit and adjust it also. So see this, there is option drop down and list. I wanted to change the drop down. See this, but here don't have a select all option. So go to the general. Here you can adjust the location where you want to shift. Yes, you can change it. Now I want you to go to selection control panel. Here I have a single selection. If you change single selection, say this button to be checkbox to be appear here. But I don't want to be single selections. Obviously, user need to select all and some depending on their requirement, close it. I don't want if this option you can control and then you can select it. So very tough to the user to go to select the control, but I want to I wanted to select all. So for this, I'm going to select all option and say this. Select all option is there, so it's really help us. So let's adjust it a little bit so that looks can be changed. After that, go to the slicer header. See this, there is slicer header, but I don't want to use it. Copy it only and don't want to use it. Let's after item. If you wanted to give any font color, background color up here, so you can do that. Let's go to the red color, font color, and background color is little bit this. You can do that also. Sometimes it's required, but not always. Then after wanted to give the title, so category change. We can click it. Let's start with background. Here I wanted to implement here filter slicer. So for this, what I need to do here, I'm going to select A and clear the filter. What I'm going to create a clear copy paste so that we can fix it. And see this. We'll adjust it within a minute. Now I've selected everything. Let's clear it. And I wanted to add this in bookmark. So go to the bookmark panel. There is a add dashboard and update it. Update it. And now come to the Click on clear all button. After that, go to the enable the action option. Select bookmark here. Then after select the respective dashboard which bookmark you have created where capture the last steps. Bookmark allow you to capture the last step which you done in Power BI. So last step I remove the filter, so that is already captured it. Let's talk about all. Select control. Click here. See this. All last step has been captured, but I don't want to do that. So for this, let's clear all filter here, everywhere, and clear here. Since I told you that last step is going to capture, so I'm going to do that. Last step. After that, close the all headers here. Category closed successfully. Let me show you. See this. Here is coming category, but all option. Now I wanted to change the location here. So for visualization pan, so this copy it and try to close it. Coming to location is there. Let's talk about the order status. So I remove it, copy it, and go to the right status. And slicer, why I'm closing slicer status? Because here is see this. Here is option coming to clear selection, and that is usually if click it, so your your slicer is will not work as intended. It's not showing as intended. So best use that to control everything in your hand. That is saying that you can adjust it. Now I'm going to adjust the slicer. So for this, go to the select all slicer which you have, then go to the alignment left and distribute vertically so that size to be size and um, amount of web to be adjusted automatically. Now it's we have selected the item. I wanted to remove the font color is black and background color I wanted to remove it so that looks can be much better. Same here. Font color is black, background color is white. And same here. Font color is black, background color is white. Now these steps are added. Now next term is that wanted to add the wanted to add the so this way wanted to add the uh, other filters in the next video we'll add that, and since this way you can format it. Thank you so much for watching.